What is up, guys? We are back with the 1 Series today, and Joe is not here, so I'm on the camera. We're basically going to just set this thing up and show you a little bit what we have going on, but I'm really excited for today. It is like the first day I get to show you some of the coolest and most fun parts of the car, and that is the suspension. So we have some scale coilovers that are absolutely beautiful. And of course we got the good old Wisefab front angle kit going on. So the goal is to get this thing running today. Oh, and we also have S65, all nice and clean, squeaky clean. Still got to reseal bits of it and throw some pieces on, but she's looking real nice. But yeah, what I want to show you guys mainly today is the suspension and how freaking sweet it is. Shout out to Scale and shout out to the boys at Innovato. I really appreciate you guys hooking me up with this kit. We have a Drift Series. Where's it at? Here you see we got the custom spec Drift Series E9X M3 with the big piston on the front coilovers, and these things are absolutely badass. The rears are also true rear. You can see this is like a straight mount into the body of the car, so you don't have to deal with getting OEM bushings or figuring any of that out. The other side's gone just because we were testing that. You can see it has real nice beefy camber plates. Of course, if we run or change camber, we'll just take 1 or 2 of these out. Yo, I'm serious. These things are freaking strong, man. This is like the heaviest coilover I've ever felt. You can feel how quality is really there with these things. They're nice and beefy, and they're definitely going to handle some abuse. For reference, I have a standard piston, and yeah, safe to say I know which one ain't gonna be snapping. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up and throw it on there. But shout out to Scale and shout out to Wisefab for these amazing products. Good job, my guy. But yeah, shout out to these guys. This stuff is beautiful. And let's get it on the car, because this thing hasn't moved in way too long, and I think it deserves to be in the shop, but she's been so we're gonna throw it together and get this thing rolling. Alrighty, guys. Alright, guys, so we are just gonna throw this subframe together that is all freshly cleaned. We're gonna put the Wisefab on it, and then we're gonna put coilovers in, and then we're gonna drop subframe in. So I'm just gonna give you a little lapse of that while these slap these arms in, and pray she doesn't fall from the jack stand. Guys, so we are still putting the front end together. Just wanted to kind of close out while the camera has some time to charge, but yeah, the fresh Wisefab is very tight clearances, so we are putting a little bit extra muscle into it, and not mad about it at all, because this stuff is the sturdiest angle kits we ever end up touching, aligning, working with. So it's nice that the clearances are really tight and that there's confidence that it's not going to go anywhere. But I'm going to charge the camera while we continue to struggle, because I think you've seen enough of that. Finally starting to feel like this progress is making me feel like there's a real car at the end of this. Let's go. What's up, guys? Things are heating up with the 1 Series. We got big brake kit in today.
Last week we got Wisefab on the front and the Scale coilovers. So now we're gonna throw on these fresh wheel bearings. We're gonna fit the brake kit. We're gonna get the tie rods. We're gonna get the car rolling pretty much. So yeah, we have a nice little lineup going on today. We also have the rest of the gaskets and everything for the S65. We probably won't get to that today, but the goal is to get this thing off the jack stands for the first time in, I don't even know how long at this point. But we have 6 weeks to finish the car. So now's the time to tune in and keep up with us on the channel. I'm gonna try to be posting some more of the still shot updates on Instagram finally on German Autosport, but welcome back. Let's get this thing rolling. Let's get these beautiful brakes on there and yeah, get her off the jack stands. Let's go. I'm so excited to not have to work on this thing outside my own shop and actually bring it in on the lift. Take the nut out? No, thank
Ahora sí. Ahora sí, nene.
Loctite.
Espérate.
Belted, yeah, there. Try the other one. Not going.
All good.
You got the mic on?
Yeah.
All right, so we got the driver's side all together and figured out with the big brake kit. So now we are going to show you a little more in detail on this side. But she's looking real nice. The only weird thing is just figuring out exactly how, because Wisefab has the adapter for the M3 brakes, and then we're using an adapter on the adapter for the big brake kit. So just making sure the orientation was all right took a couple shots, but we got it. I was hitting it hard. Oh, wow, that was probably a better spot to hit it.
Yeah, right here.
Cool. I'm gonna go get some wheels to roll over here. Oh, you dropped them? Yeah, I have the magnet for that right. No, you will get it.
No, you went out again.
Here.
You don't need to hit it on the Wi-Fi. You hit it right here.
Yeah, it works better.
It works better.
Loctite here. Oh, that's enough. Turn them. It's a tight fit. Oh, this one doesn't need a Loctite because it has the lock nuts.
Spin it through.
Spin it.
Oh no, the bracket, because we need to cut it.
So onward with the brake caliper adapter on the Wisefab adapter.
this fits the stock knuckle, but it's making contact with the Wisefab bracket. So we're just gonna shave down to clear the, we're gonna shave this down to clear the Wisefab hardware, and it should go right back on like the other side. Doesn't need too much. That'll do it. So we're not going to throw, is it going? This thing going? So we're not going to throw the rear together tonight. We're just going to get this thing rolling. Basically all we have to do is hook up this caliper, make sure any wheels fit, and connect the tie rod on the driver's side. So probably about 20 minutes, this thing is officially going to be back on the ground. And I feel like when the car's on the ground, it looks so much cooler because you can actually like retrospect, like see the size of the car. It feels huge right now because it's like in my face, but I think it's on the ground, it's going to look sick. Ah! Alright, now we just put the shock on.
Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Alrighty guys, so the front suspension, front brakes is all on, the car's rolling. We missed a little bit of the Wisefab install, had issues with the camera, but car's inside, everything's all wrapped up. This car actually rolled itself in, and I wouldn't say under its own power or anything, but next up you're gonna see the engine coming together. So we have some sweet parts going on from NRW, Euro connects, and some headers. So stay tuned, check out the next video, and you will see this S65 turn into what it looks like in front of you now. Good night.